So, you own a Tesla. Nice car, right? Sleek, fast, and full of tech. But let's talk about something a little less glamorous, the air filter. Yeah, that thing's silently working hard to keep your cabin air fresh and clean. But how often do you think about it? Probably not as much as you should. I mean, think about it. You spend countless hours in your car. You eat in it, you talk in it, you even sometimes, other things in it. All that stuff is pumping particles into the air. And guess what catches those nasties? Your air filter. So, if you're not changing it regularly, you're basically breathing in a recycled cocktail of your own making. Not exactly the luxury experience you paid for, is it? Now, you might be thinking, I'll just take it to the Tesla service center. And hey, that's an option. But why spend extra money when you can do it yourself and save a few bucks? Plus, it's a pretty straightforward process. I promise. Before we dive in, let's talk about why you should change your air filter regularly. A dirty filter can reduce airflow, which means your AC or heater has to work harder. That's less efficiency and potentially higher energy costs. But more importantly, a clogged filter can compromise the air quality inside your car. We're talking allergens, dust, pollen, and even bacteria. Not exactly what you want to be breathing in. So, how often should you change it? Well, Tesla recommends every 2 years or 15,000 miles, whichever comes first. But that's just a general guideline. If you live in a particularly dusty or polluted area, you might need to change it more frequently. You'll know it's time when you start noticing a decrease in airflow or if you see visible dirt on the filter. Alright, let's get down to business. To change your Tesla's air filter, you'll need a few things: a new air filter, obviously, a flathead screwdriver, and a little bit of patience. It's not rocket science, but it does require some precision. Remember, when you're installing the new filter, make sure it's seated properly and the seals are airtight. You don't want any unwanted guests sneaking into your cabin. Once it's in place, reassemble everything and you're good to go. Changing your Tesla's air filter might seem like a small thing, but it can make a big difference in the quality of air you breathe. So, don't neglect it. It's a quick and easy task that can save you money and improve your overall driving experience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.